Hey, first graders. Today's math is going to be a pretty short video, okay? Because there's a lot of you just needing to practice today. So the very first thing you're going to do is these two worksheets in your packet. On these worksheets, you need to fill in the blanks to continue counting, okay? You might want to look at a hundreds chart to help you, or a 120 chart if you have one. So I have mine here. If you have one of these, it might be helpful to look at it. You could also pull one up online and print it out, okay? All right, so I'm going to do the first one just so you can see. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes next? 9, 10, and 11. There we go. All right, you're going to do all these, and then you're going to do all these. Once you've finished this page, or these two pages, I'm sorry, you're going to do these. These two pages ask you to write the number. So you're not writing numbers through 120. It gives you the number word. Okay, so right here my number word is 22. What does the number 22 look like? 2 and a 2. Yep, perfect. So you're going to read the number word and write the numeral that goes along with it. If you need help reading the number word, okay, go find your adult to help you read these to you. All right, because some of the words might be a little tricky. If you have any questions about today's math, please let your teacher know. Remember to do your quiz for today and send that in, okay? That's very, very important so your teacher can learn so your teacher will know everything you've been learning. If you have any questions at all, reach out to your teacher. Have a great weekend. Bye.